Hello guys, welcome back. This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working on very exciting tutorial on live action footage, how to 2D tracking and then creating particles of music song icons. Let's start. Create a new project. Create a new composition from footage, select your footage and then select your video endpoint, fit your video, trim your comp, and this is the out point of your video. Trim the comp. Then go back to composition, trim comp to work area, and now select the video and go to window workspace motion tracking. Let's track the motion. Select, and there is the point. Zoom your footage, move the track point to a different color point. I think this point is looking very good for tracking, and zoom out. Analyze forward track. Wait. The tracking is looking good and perfectly. After tracking, create a null object. Right click, create a null object, then edit target, select null object, press OK, and then apply X and Y dimension. Play. Wow, perfect. And now create solid, name it particles, press enter, go to effects, track code, particular. After this, go to emitter, and then this is the position XYZ. Select the null object, press P, select the particles, press Alt, click on the position stopwatch, Alt, click. Select the parent wave and move parent to null 1 position. Press OK, then close this and play. Okay, go back to particles, change the particle size, random, and go back to physics, air, X. Move here and little bit up. Test now. Good. Okay, little bit turbulence field position, affect position, test again. Great. Now let's make music icons composition. Okay, create a new composition and name it music icons. Change the size of composition to 150 pixel and select the duration 4 or 5 seconds, 4 or 5 frame for the 4 or 5 icons. I have 4 icon, then I must make the duration 4 frame. Press OK, then go to project, double click desktop. There is, I have a lot of icons, first, second, third. Press import, select the first one, press S, scale down this icon and cut the layer to 1 frame. Select another one, Before another one, select this one, press S, scale down, and mask this icon. Good. Cut this layer and then drop the another one, this one, press S, scale down, and now time to create the final icon. Press S, scale down, move here. Select the pen for masking this icon. Okay, finish. Go back to your main comp, press Ctrl K right here, main comp. Select the particles, go to Effect, Controls, Particles, and go to Particle, Type, change Sprite, and then Texture. Select drop the music icon in your main comp, turn off, select again the particles and go back. There's texture, layer, music icons, and select the time sampling to random still frame. After this, play the icons sizes so small, change the size 125, and there is the random size, and go to opacity over life, select the third graph and go to size over life, select the third graph. Good. Zoom in the first, second, third. This one is missed. So create Ctrl K, one more frame, the fifth frame, press OK, and select this one, Ctrl D, duplicate, go back to main comp, select the music icon and change, play now. Good. Select the particles, change this to 40 and change the size to 55 more, and now test your project, render, wait, okay, play now. Looking good. Thank you guys for watching. This was about how to create motion tracking point and link the particular with null objects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.